All right, so this is our design here, and I've been letting this dry out a little bit, so I can go back into it. It's dry now, it's been drying, and when I do that, then it's easier to carve it, right? It's easier to carve, right? And these are smiling dolphins. Okay, so you just want to smooth things out. Everything needs to be smooth. Okay, and your edges, all your edges need to be rounded and nice looking. This is the tail end of the surfboard. I make sure everything is even on here. Make sure things are even as possible. Your board is supposed to have a rocker on it, okay, which means it curves a little bit. Okay, it curves like that, and it's supposed to curve like that. Now, this is a little bit, it's a little hard over here, and it's a little hard over here, and I'm cleaning this, this is a cleaning way, but also I'm putting some moisture on here so that this thing will bend properly, and I'm cleaning it. Make sure things are smooth on here. You see it's bending more now. You see it bends easier? Okay, this has a rocker. So let's look at what it's supposed to look like. Okay, this is supposed to be like this. Is that working for us? That rocker is about right. That's pretty good. Look at that. It looks pretty good. This is about as much clay as you probably need for your fin. This is your fin. I'm going to mush this out so it's kind of flat. So now I want to get this shape here. I want to put this shape here on this. So I put this down on the piece of clay. And I'm going to trace this outline through the paper, right? And now I have an indentation here, delicately from my clay. And this will be my fin. Okay, there you go. Now I got a fin. It might be good to carve it before, right? To kind of get it, it's got to get sharp on here. Okay, and I'm probably going to have to cut it again, but I need to, at least I need to have the shape, the general shape of what it's going to be. It needs to be thinner. I'm going to take my template and I'm going to put it on top of my fin again. Okay, because my fin has changed shape. My fin looks a lot better there. Okay, my fin looks a lot better. It's more delicate. Okay, there you go. Okay, now I'm going to score and slip this and put it onto my board. Okay, folding the end of my paper, if I put this over here onto my board, I can determine that this is where the fin will go, right here, between here and about here. That's where my fin goes. Okay, and I'm going to score this. Okay, so I've put that on there. It looks pretty good. Okay, and got your fin, and you're gonna have to let this dry a little bit so that you can adjust it, because this needs a little bit of stuff on here. This still needs stuff. It's hard. Fins are okay. You got your dolphin logo. You got your fin. You got your rocker. You got your rocker. Okay, and just make sure everything is smooth and nice on your board and everything is uniform. Okay, there you go.